like a ghost town. Babe, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Can you not play that little boy in the club? So we do not listen to rap. Me in Atlanta, I got her.
I took a walk with the palm trees as the daylight fell. Sangria in the canteen, talking to myself. This tattoo on my left hand is turning purple as blue. Daydreams of the romance, daydreams of you. My pretty woman in a ball gown, my Richard Gere in a top, writing vows in a rush. Making out before the judge. My teenage wife got a wedding ring done that I just might die with. Listen to me.
A few moments later.
Okay.
My teenage wife got a wedding ring done that I just might die with. It's an American wedding. They don't mean too much, but we were so in love. We had an American wedding. No, they don't mean too much, but we were so in love.
How do you feel?
Man, I could have easily won that if I knew the grand prize. If I knew what the grand prize was, I would have easily won.
You don't need to. you don't.
Okay, so it seems like my brothers and sisters don't know how to swim. There they are. So we made it back to the hotel, and that's the end of our. Wait, hold on. We finally made it out of the beach. So now we're. Okay, well, first off, if you're still watching this video, thank you. But I'm butting into this part of the video because I don't know what was wrong with me. I don't know if I'm camera shy or what, but like my words couldn't come out, so I'm not putting that part in. But during this part, we ordered room service. I'm gonna show you guys what the food looked like and how it tasted and all that. While I was okay, our hotel is messy, but we just got in here from the beach, so you get the gist. Okay, for dinner, we ordered room service. Now, I ordered Parmesan sliders and the seafood sample. It wasn't too good. I wouldn't recommend it. The shrimp really stunk and like even my breath stayed for the whole night. But yeah, that was very bad. Now, I didn't get footage of this, but we also saw fireworks towards the end of the day and they were really pretty.
You know I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. This tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell sleeping on the mattress. I feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they semi-automatic. Rated up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VVs with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. I had bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I'm studying how to cash fetish. I'm studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wonder about my dedication. This love got me.
Okay, now we're outside, but it's a lot of birds here, and we're planning to go to the water park to spend the rest of the day, but that's like farther out. So we did valet parking and we're waiting for the car to, or whatever, I don't know how that works, but we're gonna get there, and I'm probably not gonna get in that pool. I'll just sit there and watch, and I'll meet you guys there. So see you at the water park.
I'm dedicated. This love got me get up, I don't need a hat. Drake goals, let these niggas know we already. Spend some calls on my bitches, we ain't ball cap. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Ain't United States like a latex.
Okay, I hate that I have to end off my video like this. It just feels so abrupt and like something is missing. But towards the end of this video, we were so tired on our way back. Mind you, this is a road trip, so everybody was tired, sleeping, and that's pretty much how it went. But we came home safely, and you know, I really enjoyed it. I just wanted to like reflect on that trip. Like, you know, this is very last minute. Everything was last minute, like booking a hotel, driving out there, and finding stuff to do all last minute. We didn't even know what we were gonna do, but I enjoyed like the amusement park and just trying out things I never did before, like the slingshot in the beginning of the video. I never tried that before. I tried the same foods, I didn't try any new foods. But even when we got to the restaurant, I was super excited to see like some Nicki Minaj boots inside of a case. Overall, it was just some time I could spend with family that I don't usually get to do, and I really value that time a lot. So I didn't get to record as much as I would like to, but I definitely got to spend the time the way I would love to. So overall, it was a great trip, and I wouldn't have done it any differently. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And oh, also this video is very long overdue. I actually came out from this trip like a month ago, but if you watched the end of this video, thank you so much, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.